Child enforced marriage linked to trafficking is a serious challenge across Southeast Asia. These harmful practices affect millions of girls, boys, and women, especially young women, in Southeast Asia. While child marriage specifically involves those under 18, forced marriage can affect individuals of any age, including adults coerced or deceived into marriage. They rob children and young people of education, health, and safety, creating pathways to exploitation and lifelong trauma. ASEAN recognized the urgent need for a coordinated, survivor-centered response. The ASEAN guidelines were developed by ACWC in collaboration with experts and frontline practitioners from civil society and UN agencies. Importantly, they include the voices of survivors and young leaders whose lived experiences shape the recommendations. Their insights ensure the guidelines are practical, sensitive, and grounded in reality. The development process involved regional consultations, research, and dialogue across sectors, including child protection, gender-based violence, law enforcement, and counter-trafficking. Survivors and young people shared their experiences and insight. Practitioners highlighted gaps in law and services. Together, these contributions build a framework that prioritizes safety, dignity, and justice. The guidelines provide clear steps for preventing and responding to cases of trafficking for child-enforced marriage. They help frontline responders, police, social workers, healthcare professionals identify cases accurately, investigate effectively, and support victims with care. The guidelines feature several recommendations, including to make sure child-enforced marriage are explicitly recognized as forms of exploitation in trafficking laws. This closes legal loopholes and strengthens protection. Ensure every birth and marriage is officially registered. A simple document can be a powerful shield against abuse. Expand prevention programs, keeping children in school and providing social protection so families don't feel forced into harmful choices. And importantly, to strengthen cross-border cooperation and survivor support services, because exploitation doesn't stop at borders and neither should protection. Consistency across ASEAN countries is essential. Harmonized laws and practices close gaps caused by differing definitions and age thresholds. The guidelines recognize that vulnerabilities, poverty, gender inequality, disability combine to increase risk. This intersectional lens informs 8 key areas of action, from legal reform to victim identification and survivor care. These guidelines are more than a document. They are a commitment to protect the rights of women and children. Teachers, parents, health workers, justice actors, and community leaders all have a role to play. Together, we can end child-enforced marriage linked to trafficking and ensure every victim survivor receives protection, justice, and support.